Hi all, I am Smokeman and today I'm gonna present you Oxygen OS for Redmi Note 5 Pro, okay, or 5 Global as you wanna call it, okay. Just let me change the language to English, okay, English, United States, okay, it's fine now. Just bring it to... So, as you see, this ROM supports Volt. I'm on Vodafone Portugal, so it supports the Volt language, okay. Just let me lower the brightness and you see here Volt, okay. You have Volt, you have data mobile, you have dark mode, you have accent color, as you have on your OnePlus. You have all the features that you have there, okay. The adaptive brightness works fine, okay. Reading mode, also night mode, ambient display only on notifications, new notifications, doesn't work on lift up display. Gestures, as you see, it's working. The blink light only works on white. You can change the colors, but only white it supports, okay. The screensaver also, the status bar, you have it like that, okay. Just let me show you the status bar. This is the screensaver, the status bar, okay. You have the icon manager and so on. You can show the hours and minutes and seconds, okay, as you see on your left side, okay. It's nice, I like it. Also you have the fingerprint working fine, see, and fast. Block it. You have the double tap to wake and to close the menu. Closing. You have the shelf here. The shelf for OnePlus. You can add it more widgets. I don't have. I like it clean. Okay. The camera. You have to put on 4:3 only. If you put in full screen, it crashes. So 4:3. The night mode also works. The front-facing camera also works. Okay, all is working fine. The watermark also working, as you see here. I'm gonna leave a few seconds on the end of the video. You see here. Okay. The video also records in 1080p, as you see, at 60 frames, okay. So if you want to see the installation, it's easy, okay. You must use the firmware 9.3. I'm gonna show you here the firmware I have used, okay. It's here. You have to use this one, okay? This first one. Just let me show you. Okay, it's here. I'm gonna show you sorting by date. You have to install this wired firmware before you install the ROM. So you have to format data coming from MIUI. You have to format data in TWRP. Okay, I'm gonna reboot for you guys to see. Okay, I recommend you to use this recovery Orange Fox. I like it a lot, okay. And do this. If you're coming from MIUI, you have to do this. XIAOMI EU or official global, you have to do that. Just go to wipe, format data, type yes and OK. Format, go back, go to advanced wipe, Delvic, cache, data and system, okay, and vendor. In this case, and swipe to wipe. Reboot to recovery and go to install the firmware, okay. You have here the firmware, it's 9.3.14 firmware. it's Oreo firmware, and then install the ROM and reboot. After you reboot, just settle the ROM, reboot again, just force the reboot here, and come to recovery again, and flash this Oxygen Pi reboot power off patch, and wipe the Delvic and the cache, and reboot system again. You're gonna be fine. Installation running fine. I'm gonna show you the battery, the screen on time of this ROM. It's great. I have tested for 2 or 3 days now, and it gives me more or less 8 hours of screen on time. Okay, on the second charging. Okay, the first one, the ROM has to settle. So after you let the ROM settle, then in the second charge it's gonna last you more. It supports the Google Cam. I'm gonna leave a link on the description to a full working Gcam, but the problem is, for me, it drains me a lot of battery, and I prefer to use that. Okay, I'm gonna show you the screen on time here. As you see, 8 hours and 1 minute with 10%. Okay, so it's a great result. I hope you like it. Don't forget to praise thanks to developers of this. Okay, and I see you soon. Hit the like button.